Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Anna frozen look in Dress to Impress. So if you're ready to channel the bold and brave princess of Arendelle, in this tutorial, we are recreating Anna's iconic frozen look. And if you want to know how I create this, let me show you the steps. So for the hair, I'm going to use this updo hair in here and change the color using this color in here. You can copy my hex code if you want to. Then I'm going to combine it with this bangs, also in the same color. Okay, now for the outfits, first I'm going to go to the dressing room in here and put on this coat item, this crop long sleeves, and use this color in here and to go it into smooth. And then I'm going to combine it with this top, this dress in here, but toggle it to number 4 and change the color the same like the previous items. And here I'm going to put on this dress, but I'm going to only wear the skirt. And in here change the color into blue like this, and you can copy my hex code. Then for the second preview, use the light blue color, and this is the hex code. And for the shoe, I'm going to wear this boots from code items, this one, and change the color into black like this, all of it. Okay, let's finish the outfit. So here I'm going to first put on this items in here and change the color into this purple color. This is iconic from Anna. And then I'm going to wear this. Use the adjustment feature in here. I'm going to adjust the Z and make it look like this. And for the color, I'm going to use this light purple color. And let's put on the other items. So here I'm going to wear the gloves to go into short without fur, and change the color into blue like the bottom part of the skirt. And then I'm going to put on this top in here. First color black, second one use the green color, so I'm going to wear, sorry, second one still on black, and the accent in here green. I'm going to use this color in here, and for the bow I'm going to make it this color. And for the last one, orange, or you can also make it the same like the hair. And so this is the final look for Anna from Frozen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.